Shen.
Yo.
I need to set up it. You know,
They are sleep nothing. No, sir.
So what we are gonna do, guys, we're gonna try and get somebody to buy it before the weekend run out. Yeah? I'm gonna set up on GoFundMe. So the GoFundMe, what we're gonna use it to do, as I said, I'm gonna tell Shanda, so let's go back on the investigator. But we're gonna use the GoFundMe to do like little things. So we'll have somebody to send them go check on something. We have information we want to get, and I think the most important thing is to try and get to our investigator. We have our investigator with them in America, but them have them based in Jamaica as well. I think we should go that way there. And also Shen, as a family member, do you think you can go by the CDA place? Will they give you
CDA, yeah.
some of information, you think? Because we want to know how comes them not all over this like rush. Because 2 pitney get injured in the same yard in a one same week. So that is something we definitely need to find out what going right there. So. But let's see if we can get somebody to make up the what you call it. I'm gonna put it about 3,000 or 4,000 the maximum, and we can use that. And obviously, people can see how much going on it, and then we can tell what we use it for. We can come and talk it broad in life, what we use it for, who we send it to, and all of this, and make, because right now. And you know what I want to say, Shan? I would like for our live stream come together with you and Price. I will do a proper match, because they say the fact that you could have set up a search team and we can take the money from the GoFundMe and organize a proper march. So guys, if everybody is with me on this one, because I'm not gonna do something where don't agree with and is not a part of it, right? So me I gonna try and get the GoFundMe thing put up later today, and the GoFundMe is for Jayden March, the private investigator for Price and Shanda them get fair to go around the place and do the things that we want to get done. Because at the end of the day, yeah.
It's and Shand, not Shanda. Price and Shand forget fear, not Shanda. Clarify.
I same thing. 6 hours and half a dozen of that are the same thing. But yes, guys, that's what I am trying to organize. And then I want to do a march. Well, it's a Jayden march, but where our side of the live stream where we organize it. So we are gonna have Shen and Price and do the organizing from the ground. Jackie. Uncle Paul. You understand? So that's what I think we should do. And I know we can organize a march where what we're gonna do is ask you guys. I feel like with a march and go by the principle, and we are called for resignation, but then we would want us to find out what are the rules and the regulation for do a protest. So therefore, when we are going to do it, we are doing a legal protest or a legal march. So in an argument with no 5 hour no Babylon. Because Babylon get a right for the money, that's why them move so funny. And them try to brainwash up on the Western journey. Yeah, man, the principle. Me not understand how the principal not pack up in clothes and gone to prison. Me not get it, you know. The principal if you pack up and gone in a prison long time. So me just not get it. You understand me? Don't get how the principal is still there. You understand? The principal if you pack up in clothes and go in a prison. You understand? Janet, let me tell you something. Go over on price page and look. Before me even I've never give Price a penny from no price from a meeting, man. I have never asked Price to do nothing where him come back and tell me say him nah do it or him can't do it. I asked him if he go look at Caesars, go take pictures and video, he did it. The first time even Andrew, a Price go carry Andrew come from my live. I'm going to organize one fund for Andrew, so therefore everybody can now get to start with Andrew. Then who I tell Andrew so who she can talk to and who she can't talk to. So regardless of how you feel if that Price is controversy, we have to also say we are a human being and we are going to do something that some people not going to like, and we are going to do something that some people are going to like. And right now on the ground, we have Shen as a family member and Price as a person we can ask to do things. So unless we don't have somebody else in mind we can give one person we are going to tell you say, they're not going to tell you say them busy and then something there, I will take anybody. You understand? I will, because this is not about favoritism or it's just who is with them, because a lot of people will come on live stream and say yes to this, yes to that, and when the actually time come, I remember at the very first march I contact some people that said they want to go to the march, and when me contact them the first time, they tell me say they want money for buy petrol, they want money for pay fare. I mean I said, but you know, and you said you're willing to put in a little piece of work where you can put in, but some people it doesn't matter how them try for help, them still try for you have to pay them for help. And that is a problem that we are facing. Everybody if just do whatever little piece they can do. You understand? There's no pressure on nobody. But I just feel like it's fair if we are going to ask either one of them, regardless of a family or not, and we're going to call upon have them or we can call upon them. Like how we asked Shen this morning to go over the other side, go check if the crocodile gone. You know, she have to leave from our place, go to the other side. So at least them fear and lunch, we suppose we can come together and say, alright, we can give them that and them use them time and we help with the fear and the lunch and stuff like those. You understand? Because right now we can have talk for sure to say, yes, the crocodile fly out. The crocodile fly out from the 5th of January. And we can say that for the surety because Shen go over there and see it and realize that yes, and probably ask someone like coming to it and tell us, yes, your crocodile fly out. But the see, the thing is this, I don't know her schedule. I don't know if she used to fly out all the while, but I find it's really, the timing is really different. You know, I find the timing different because the man was there going to school, the crocodile was there running her shop, the crocodile have the little baby down there keep. So in my opinion, I didn't feel the crocodile was planning to go away to foreign anytime soon. That's why I said that the baby don't have to keep the baby, look after the baby. And you say, you buy one school shoes for the baby because they pick them in a foreign, must know something. You understand where I come from? So in my opinion, I don't feel there was a planning for she to go away because the baby, if the baby never hurt himself, she'll be there, the baby will be there, and you'll be sending the baby to school. So all of this I just fly out, so I find it a bit different. They might come out of school and fly out, so I find those a little bit different. It's a little bit hard, you know? So you're telling me you're flying out because you're scared? Is that why you're flying out? And I feel like, to be honest with you, I feel like everybody, once they come and they click a live, as soon as they click a live, people become scholars. So me can't run with everything that everybody has said. Me like to try to get as close as to the fact as possible. So to have somebody.
Tiger will also learn that the husband never just going in the army as well. Not the same time as she has said the husband joined the army. He was in the army before that. So it's a strong possibility he may have been on that flight return to Jamaica.
And that's what we are saying, because if you show yourself, these people are saying things that ain't true, because if she said the reason why the baby went to Jamaica is because she didn't have no one to help her look about the baby. And in the next breath, she come back and she said, on the Tuesday, the husband going to the army. No, but we all know that the baby was in Jamaica about a month and a half, 2 months before that. So if the husband just going to the army today and the baby in Jamaica 2 months ago, I can't, because they have no help sending the baby. And I tell, I was either the husband in the army time ago then. In it? Just a thought to think about. You know? It's just a thought. Yeah, and another question, when they said something to her about the husband, she jumped out defensive one time like an ass and jump out of the gate. Oh no, he couldn't get to do him Jayden anything, because he wasn't there, and he go to Monday or Tuesday or 1 days a month of the week he went to army to start training, and he couldn't have the phone, so I have to send him letters and telegrams and all of these things. 1 week in our army, you know, and you write letter to him already. You can imagine if he did the work 1 year? You just send email and she-mail.
Exactly, Tiger. Exactly. So these are the lies them. Where the people them tell, and when we try to point it out, people come and try to make excuse to the lie where them tell utter to them now. Them come and tell me the lie, and then people are try to say no, and that them didn't know.
They're guilty as sin, them people. They're guilty. And right now, me I wonder how we can get somebody onto the neighbor. I really and truly want to get onto the neighbor, because
You want the price at all?
you know what? Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I really need to get onto that person, because at the end of the day,